Hey there. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore how professional outdoor upholstery services in Dubai can completely transform your outdoor spaces. From comfort to aesthetics, these services have got you covered. Let's dive right in. Segment 1. Why outdoor upholstery matters. Dubai's climate is unique, with its intense sun and occasional sandstorms. Over time, outdoor furniture can lose its charm. Professional upholstery services not only revive your furniture but also use materials designed to withstand Dubai's harsh weather, ensuring durability and style. Segment 2. Customization options. One of the best things about these services is customization. You can choose from a wide range of fabrics, patterns, and colors to match your personal style. Whether it's modern minimalism, boho chic, or classic luxury, there is something for everyone. Segment 3. Benefits of professional services. Professional outdoor upholstery services go beyond just replacing fabric. They assess the frame's condition, use high-quality materials, and ensure perfect stitching and fit. Plus, they offer expert advice on maintaining your furniture for years to come. Segment 4. Eco-friendly options. Many providers in Dubai now offer eco-friendly options. They use sustainable materials and repurpose old furniture, allowing you to upgrade your outdoor space while staying environmentally conscious. Segment 5. Transform your outdoor oasis. Imagine turning your tired patio into a stunning oasis for hosting, relaxing, or simply enjoying the view. With professional outdoor upholstery, your furniture becomes a centerpiece of style and comfort. Ready to give your outdoor furniture a fresh new look? Dubai's professional upholstery services are just a call away. Don't settle for less. Transform your outdoor space today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration. See you next time.